Good evening. I'm your host tonight, Miss Deborah Antley, and I'm here, Restore Hope Empowerment Center. Recently I did a short YouTube, talking about hope after the abortion, hope in the midst of having an abortion, hope to let you know that you're not lost. He hasn't thrown you away. I want you to keep the faith. So I want you to understand finding hope after the abortion. This is really about his grace. Because listen, many times we allow people to label us, to throw us away. Aren't you glad that the God that you serve does not throw you away? So listen to this. Abortion is not just a medical decision, it touches the heart. This really touches the heart. I want you to understand this because no one wants to do this. We don't know the circumstances. We don't know why the person may have made this decision. But what I'm telling you tonight, that God shows mercy and grace. It touches the heart, soul, and spirit in ways that many don't see. It leaves a scar. It's as if it leaves some nasty taste or residue in your mouth, and you don't know what to do. You don't know how to get over this. You don't know how to overcome. You're afraid to share what you've done because people are going to judge you so harsh. People are going to form opinions over you. But the one thing you have to understand, for some, it leaves behind deep grief, guilt, or silence that's hard to share even with their closest friends or the one that's closest to them. Because right now you're looking at, I'm scarred, I'm going to be judged, I'm going to be talked about, I'm going to be called all types of names. But there is the truth. Hope is still yours. It is still yours in the midst of the decision that you've made. It is still yours. Don't allow anybody to box you in or make you feel like you're unworthy. You're already feeling bad. But I want you to know that hope is still yours. You are not beyond God's reach. That's what I want to share with you tonight. Just that to encourage you. You are not beyond God's reach. One of the enemy's greatest lies is that abortion disqualifies you from God's love or purpose. But scripture tells us nothing can separate us from the love of God. That includes this part of your past. Jesus did not die for the easy part of life. He died for the hardest, the darkest, the most hidden part of your life. So I want you to know that hope is still yours. You are not beyond God's reach. I just wanted to encourage you tonight. And listen, again, I'm your host, Deborah Antley, Restore Hope Empowerment Center. That's what I'm here for, to restore hope into you. Listen, some of the topics that we're talking about have been my past. So sometime you've got to become a little transparent to help someone else. So I want you to know hope is still yours and you're not beyond God's reach. Hey, I hope you enjoy this. Share this, like it, and I'll see you again. Be blessed.